Hey YouTube, what's up? And let's go shopping at AutoZone. So today we're going to check out any specials, deals, or just have a look at the tools. I like to hit up AutoZone once every other week and just see what's going on. So for this week, they have an oil change special. And for that special, as you can see, you can get a single 5-quart jug or you can get 5 1-quart jugs and an oil filter up to $8.99 for $32.99, and then you qualify for a $15 AutoZone gift card. Now that comes out to $17.99. Now this becomes a deal because the manufacturer is running a special where if you purchase, the same amount of oil, 5 quarts in the 1 jug size or 5 individual single 1 quarts, you get a $10 mail-in rebate. So this is a cheap oil change after rebates, and it's definitely something that you are going to want to pick up if you like cheap oil changes. Now let's head on over to the tool section and we'll take a look at a set for $39.99 that I can't believe they have in stock. This is a set that mirrors the Snap-on 936 that was discontinued back in like 2006, I believe. So here you can see you get a 4-piece ratchet set. It's got about 11-inch, 3/8-inch drive flex head ratchet. And then it's got the non-flex head that's about 8.5, 9 inches. It's got a 1/4-inch flex head that's about 6.5 inches. And then it's got about a 4-inch stubby little 1/4-inch drive ratchet. And for $39.99, this is a stellar ratchet set. It's not about the tooth count, it's about how you use your ratchet. So I'm thinking about picking up another one of these sets because you just don't see them out there every day. Now, another set they have that I really like is this one right here. For $24.99 on sale, you get a 45-piece 1/4-inch metric set. And the ratchet that's in this one, it's a 72 tooth. And this one, it's about 6 inches, just a little short of 6 inches. And having this ratchet coupled with this ratchet set over here, pretty much gets you the coverage that you need in the 1/4-inch. And if you think about the sockets that are included in the 45-piece set, you get coverage from 4mm shallow up to 12mm deep on both sides. So great set to pick up both all around. Just get them. Then else I want to talk about here is the 72 tooth quick release slim head ratchets that they have. So for $17.99, you can get the 1/4-inch one. And I like to say that this one's got a big little brother. Where here for $19.99, you can get the exact same size ratchet, but it's in a 3/8-inch head. And, if you're working with 3/8-inch all day rather than 1/4-inch, man, this will get you out of a pickle. You can have these ratchets, and they're good ratchets. They got their lifetime warranty. You break it, you bring it in, again, same size. And I would pick up both of these because I actually do own both of them, and I stand behind them. They are good ratchets, and I would get another set today if I didn't already have them. So pick these up as well if you don't have them. Now let's take a look at some socket sets here. They have a 22-piece SAE, and they also have a 24-piece metric set. Now the SAE set comes in 6-point, and these are $30. And it has a nice little plastic tray, and that plastic tray from Snap-on alone is like $32. Now, if you look at the metric one, this is 12-point, and again, nice little plastic tray, and $30 again. And it's a good set. Both are a good set for the price, and I have them both, and I don't have any complaints. They're easy to swap out. Good lifetime warranty on them. Now, if you look at the 1/4-inch drive sets over here, they have a 20-piece SAE and a 24-piece metric. These are both 6-point. Now these are $15.99, and they both have plastic trays with them. Metric has coverage from 4mm to 14mm. Now you don't get that coveted 4.5mm if you want to fill up a Hansen socket tray, but good sets to have nonetheless. Let's switch gears and take a look at some vice grips or locking pliers, whatever you'd like to call them. Now these, fit and finish look really good. They have rivets in them that look good, and they got the little added bonus where you can tighten and loosen these with a hex head over here. But they just couldn't figure out what they wanted to do, because over here they have a 1/4 inch drive. I like the 1/4 inch drive personally because I don't just carry around a lot of hex bits. And over here, again, hex. But why did they throw in that 1/4 inch drive? And then you go to the other locking needle nose and you got a hex, and then the final thing over here you got a 1/4 inch. So good quality sets, but just couldn't figure out why they switched. Last thing I'm going to talk about is something that I just can't recommend. So for $10.99, they have the flexible extension. It's a 3/8 inch and a 1/4 inch. But the big thing I just can't stand is they don't have detents in here, so they slip off your ratchets. So I know that other brands like Husky, Gear Wrench, I mean, they're both made by Apex Tools, or a Tool Tuck brand, Matco. They have these, but they have the detents in there. So again, I would pass on these, and I would not recommend them from Duralast, but they are a good lifesaver. And if you need them in a pinch, definitely pick up a different brand. Those detents, man, they're not having them is just a killer. Sorry, Duralast. Love your other stuff, just not these. Well, appreciate you guys tagging along with me when I went to AutoZone today. So did my daughter. She really enjoyed going. Anyways, comment down below, like, subscribe, and till next time, take care, guys.